I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read ledger lines on the piano. Ledger lines are an essential part of musical notation, allowing us to represent notes that fall outside the standard 5 lines of the staff. They extend the range of pitches you can read, both above and below the staff. Understanding them is key to unlocking more complex and varied piano pieces. We will cover how to identify these notes systematically. When reading notes above the staff, remember that each ledger line and each space between them represents a step up in pitch. For the treble clef, the top line is F, the space above that is G, and the first ledger line above the staff is A. Continue this pattern, moving alphabetically upwards. For example, 2 ledger lines above the treble staff would be C, 2 steps above the top line. Similarly, for notes below the staff, you will count downwards alphabetically. Each ledger line and space represents 1 step lower in pitch. In the treble clef, the bottom line is E. The space below that is D, and the first ledger line below is C, which is often middle C. In the bass clef, the bottom line is G, and the first ledger line below is E. Practice counting down to build familiarity. Mastering ledger lines takes consistent practice, but it is incredibly rewarding. Try using flashcards or dedicated online exercises to quiz yourself regularly. A helpful tip is to relate the ledger line notes back to the notes you already know on the 5-line staff. For instance, if you know the top line of the treble clef is F, you can easily find the notes above it. With dedicated effort, you will soon read these notes with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.